Do you have any firearms in the vehicle?
Okay.
No, nothing like that. No,
Okay.
nothing at all. No, nothing at all.
How much cannabis do you have in your car?
How much cannabis is in the vehicle?
Let's put your back on it.
No, I don't smoke marijuana. My girlfriend often wants me to, but I don't.
And does she have anything on her?
So I'm still gathering the information. Yeah, she has smoked before, not at this moment though. And she just usually has like one.
Okay.
So where is it at in the vehicle right now?